Hey, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Tea with Julia. If you're new here, I'm Julia, your spiritual guide, intuitive reader, and your midweek reset reminder. Every Wednesday, we gather here to sip some tea, clear our minds, and see what Spirit wants us to know as we move through the rest of the week. Now, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being part of this growing family. I see you, I feel your energy, and I'm so grateful that our paths continue to cross week after week. If you're just joining in for the first time, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss one of our readings. We do this every single week, creating sacred time to pause, reflect, and realign. Let's take a moment to connect with the energy of our cards today, focus on healing, and find peace amid the challenges. Page of Cups. This card invites us into a space of innocence and new emotional beginnings. It's a gentle reminder to listen to our inner voice and stay open to new feelings and opportunities. Right now, you may be feeling a spark of creativity or curiosity. Embrace it. Three of Swords. This card often speaks to heartbreak, disappointment, or emotional pain. Unfortunately, part of life's journey. If you're experiencing sorrow or grief, know that it's okay to feel what you feel. Allow yourself space to process these intense emotions, but don't stay there. Temperance. Now, here's your message of hope, balance, and patience. Temperance encourages us to find harmony within ourselves, blending different parts of our lives with wisdom and moderation. This is a time to nurture your body, mind, and spirit, and trust that healing takes time. Overall, Five of Cups. The overarching energy shows a focus on loss, but also a reminder not all is lost. Look beyond the spilled cups. There are still opportunities, support, and hope waiting for you. Sometimes we need to turn around and see what's still standing. Gratitude can be your guiding light. Take a deep breath. Visualize the cups, the heartbreak, and the promise of balance. Feel your heart opening to healing and new beginnings. Remember, even in grief, there is growth. The clouds part, and the sun begins to shine again. Before you go, remember that if you want a deeper, personal reading tailored just for you, I offer in depth inbox readings that you can receive right where you are. Check out the link in the description below to explore tarot kits, personal readings, and so much more. You can also join our amazing Facebook sisterhood for community support, shared wisdom, and connection. The link is below. And if you have questions or want to reach out directly, feel free to email me at juliad88@gmail.com. Thank you so much for spending this sacred time with me. I'm honored to be part of your journey. Until next time, stay grounded, protected, and full of light.